So before we start, I'd like to answer the question, what is meditation actually? So according to Wikipedia, meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique such as mindfulness or focusing their mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Meditation has been practiced since antiquity in numerous religious traditions and beliefs, often as part of the path towards enlightenment and self-realization. Since the 19th century, it has been spread from its origins to other cultures where it's commonly practiced in private and business life. Meditation may be used with the aim of reducing stress, anxiety, depression, and pain, and increasing peace, perception, self-concept, and well-being. Meditation is under research to define its possible health, psychological, neurological, and cardiovascular, and other effects. So, what is meditation according to Sadhguru? Sadhguru's ideology on meditation deviates from the contemporary view of meditation as a process. Rather, Sadhguru's answers, meditation is not something one can do, rather what one can be. Being meditative is a quality that can be blossomed by the harmonious cultivation of the body, mind, emotion, and energy to a certain level of preparedness. He draws a parallel between bracing up the body and the one set of spring, as both provide a suitable milieu for an unparalleled divinity of mind, body, and nature to flourish. So, what is meditation according to Van S. Dhammika? Meditation is a conscious effort to change how the mind works. The Pali word for meditation is bhavana, which means to make grow or to develop. What is meditation according to yogapedia.com? Meditation is the process of quieting the mind in order to spend time in thought or relaxation or religious spiritual purposes. The goal is to attain an inner state of awareness and intensify personal and spiritual growth. In practice, meditation involves concentrated focus on something such as sound, image, or feeling. Meditation is also referred to as dhyana in Sanskrit. What is meditation according to Eckhart Tolle? Meditation is a method for synchronizing body and mind in the present moment. When the body and mind are in sync, we are naturally relaxed, alert, open, and aware, and we experience ourselves and the world in a direct, unmediated way, without conceptual filters. It is this direct experience of the fullness, vitality, and splendor of life that is the gift of meditation. And what is meditation according to my perspective? I use the following definition for this course. I'd like to define meditation for this course in the following way. Meditation is a tool to balance thoughts, emotions, the body, and the user overall. It can be used to expand the personal consciousness, create an awareness of certain habits, and can also help to restructure them. Regularly practiced, it can help to improve the health, especially concentration, memory, and emotions. Meditation in a spiritual manner, like insights or enlightenment, may need certain guidance or practices that can be found at certain teachers. The practice of meditation can vary, like sitting, walking, laying, thinking, emotions, and different states of being. Meditation is here used as a neutral term, without spiritual, religious, or dogmatic intention.